I've spent over $100,000 on Facebook ads for painting businesses. And I've also implemented my own Facebook ad strategy into 50 plus different painting businesses. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the 3 best ad creatives that convert high intent homeowners. And I'm also gonna show you multiple live examples of my clients' ad accounts. And then I'm also gonna break down why the ads work and what makes people click on them so much. And then also show you how you can make all of these and implement them into your business today. The very first ad type we're gonna go over is still image variations. Over 50% of all my winning ad creatives for all these painting businesses have been still image ads with good copy and the offer on the image. The reason why this does so well is because of Meta's recent updates, because a lot of people scroll on Facebook without audio on and they just read the copy. And you guys would be shocked to see how easy it is to create these images with AI using Higgsfield, Claude, Nano Banana Pro 2, or even ChatGPT. That's why every single time I go into a new ad account and start testing content, I always go for 4 still image ads and 4 video. And make sure you make these images as simple as possible. When people are scrolling on Facebook, you're gonna literally want a 5-year-old to be able to understand exactly what they're looking at and what your company is offering. And you can literally go into Higgsfield and type, "We are running a promo for $1,500 for a 800 square feet interior painting package." And you could paste your logo and say, "This is my logo," and just ask for 4 ad-friendly still image ads showcasing the offer you have, your logo, and your branding. And you're also going to want to make sure your prompt is extremely good. You can even add more details in as well, and also do some ad research on the ad library to see what copy other people are using that's working really well. But the images you're going to want to focus on are images of the crew, of your work van and your truck, of everybody working, of the owner, or even a happy client. Now we'll take a look of a still image that I'm actually using right now for a winning variation for a painting company in LA. And so what we did to start off in this campaign was test 8 different pieces of content. Half of them were still image and half of them were video. Now, if you guys can see, this one got 184 leads at around an $11 cost per lead. And if we click on it, you guys are going to see the image we used. Freshly painted white home with a freshly painted black garage and front door. And then we'll look at another one that did well. And again, it's the same copy with a different image in the background of a freshly painted home. This one got leads for even cheaper, $10 for 9 leads. We ended up using this winning variation multiple times. And you guys can see with Meta's new updates, it's tested a little bit of every single ad and found which one was doing the best. So as this one started getting better results, it ended up spending $2,000 on this ad alone. And then you can see another one down here, $789. So what you're going to want to do is take the image that does the absolute best and then just make more variations for it. You can try testing different copy. You can try testing different images. You can try testing different offers. This next variation is satisfying videos of the crew working in the background with captions of AI speaking over it. Now, the reason why these ads do so well is because it stops the scroll and keeps the viewer engaged while they're watching the crew do a satisfying paint job. I'm going to show you an example of my client's ad that got us 22 leads for a $21 CPL, and he closed a couple of jobs with it.
Take a look at this transformation. This home in the Lower Mainland went from faded and outdated to clean, modern, and completely refreshed. A professional exterior repaint doesn't just improve curb appeal, it can make your entire home feel brand new again. If you're in Vancouver or anywhere in the Lower Mainland and your home looks like the before, it might be time to bring it back to life.
Now, the reason why it did so well is because viewers that are scrolling on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, they're looking for something satisfying and eye-catching to watch. And it's the movement in the video that's keeping them engaged. So as the workers are doing their satisfying job using tools they've probably never seen before, or even using the paint roller to absolutely just change the color of the garage or the home's wall, you guys can see why viewers stay engaged, because the videos are so satisfying. But you're going to want to have a call to action at the end. You're going to want to say the area, you're going to call out the person at the very start, like, "Hey Vancouver homeowners," "Hey Atlanta homeowners," and you're going to want to say if you're looking for a painting company or if you're looking for interior painting. Make sure you do the call out of who you're aiming at, and then you explain what your service is, and then you have a call to action at the very end. It says exterior painting, and the copy also says Lower Mainland, calling out the exact service that we're offering and the exact place that we're aiming to get clients for. And the beauty of this ad is clients get to actually watch the process that's going to be done to their home, and they can see exactly what they're signing up for. And this campaign printed money for us. Now, if you're a business owner and you want someone to come into your business and help you scale and bring you as much money as possible with Facebook ads, you can book a call with me personally in the description. Now, it's very important that in these satisfying videos, you're working on the homes that you actually want to get. So people that own these big homes are going to see the ad and see their own home getting a transformation. Final ad creative that I wanted to show you guys is, of course, the owner video ad. This is going to be forever good across all different types of businesses. And pretty much how this ad works is the owner of the company is going to be up front in front of the camera with the script. And this ad has multiple purposes. It's meant to build your brand and generate you some high quality leads. You can record this video in selfie style or with a tripod or even with a whole camera crew. And you're going to want to be in front of the customer's house you're currently painting, or in front of your crew that's currently working, or even in front of a logo on your van. And you're pretty much just introducing yourself and giving a pitch of what your business offers. But you want to make sure you make the script extremely strong and work on not using any filler words. Most of the owner style videos we create for companies are around 45 seconds long. Call out the exact type of people you are aiming for and the city you're in. So pretty much if you're looking for homeowners in Atlanta, you're going to say Atlanta homeowners. It's very important to start the video off by calling out a certain person. But you're going to want to make this offer be kind of different to what the market seems. And then always end your ads off with a call to action, just saying click book now or click get quote or whatever. Just bring in the person to make that step. And you want to add some type of urgency. So you can say there's limited spots available. This offer ends at this date. You just want to kind of build that urgency. And a great way to close for painters is if your home is looking dull and chipped, feel free to click the get quote button in the bottom and get your home completely refreshed. And now the main reason this works so well is because every buyer buys from someone they trust. And in this video, you're going to be building trust. And you guys would be surprised that this isn't the first ad they're going to see. When somebody keeps seeing your business over and over on Facebook or on your social media, you're going to start to build a presence in their mind and start remembering your logo and your face. And then they might even buy from you after seeing 3 or 4 of your ads. Now I'm going to quickly show you guys a little tip of how to find other ads similar to this. All you have to do is come to the ad library and then click right here, click all ads, and then just type in exactly what your offer is. So you're offering interior painting. And I'm going to show you guys an owner facing video that's actually currently doing well on the ad library.
Hello Tucson, my name is Devin. I'm the proud owner of Spars Painting. We paint houses inside and out at affordable rates. We just finished up another interior for a customer. We repainted everything, so it was all walls, doors, trim, baseboards, ceilings, and then we also added a clear coat and took off the existing clear coat for their stairway banister. So if you're ever in need of any interior or exterior painting, just click the link below, and we are offering 10% off any full paint job. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
As you guys can see, instantly calls out the area, has Hey Tucson homeowners in the bottom. Very similar to other variations I've showed you guys throughout this video. I'm going to go ahead and find you guys one more just so you can have more examples.
Hey, I'm in downtown Roswell, and we're actually located just over there off of Canton Street by Variant Brewing. And if you're looking to paint your home and you're looking for a quality contractor who's going to do excellent work, communicate well, show up on time, and leave your home better than we found it, and give us a call, click the link below. We'd love to come out, talk through your painting project, and give you a quote.
This guy was kind of slick. He called out the area without even saying it. And even looking at the ad, it literally just looked like your buddy FaceTiming you. And you can see in the primary text, it says, "Hi neighbors, this is Colin here from Terminus Painting. We are a 5-star rated quality painting company located right here in the area. And then we love helping our community with trusted painting work." Obviously, you can see he knows that he's trying to build trust with this ad. And then you can just see some more information there. You can even copy some of these scripts and tailor it to your company. And a really easy way you can caption these videos is by using Canva AI's caption editor, and you can just make Canva's AI do it in like 10 seconds. But at the end of the day, guys, when creating ads, you're gonna wanna make as many as possible and test as many different variations as you can. Because of the main problem that I always see when jumping onto these clients' ad accounts is they used to try 1 image, 2 images, and they just flop. You guys wanna at least test 8 to even 16 images depending on how much ad spend you're doing, and try as much variation to find as much winners as possible. So there was the owner video, the satisfying crew working video, and then the still image creative. And again, guys, if you want a professional team to go into your business and optimize your Facebook ad strategy, create all your content, and close the leads online for you through a CRM, book a call with me in the description, and we'll have a nice discovery call where I'll go over your business, give you tons of free tips, and see if I can help you out. Otherwise, keep watching my videos and hit the like and subscribe button.